Fact: some of the newest cars on the road can be broken into in less than 10 seconds. Because the technology that's supposed to make new cars safer and more secure is actually easier to hack. So now it's easier than ever before for criminals to get into your car and drive off with it. That's where Proof comes in. 24/7 security for your vehicle and everything in it. Dash cam when you're on the road. Security cam when you're parked. Proof has front and rear cameras that record in HD when you're on the road. As soon as you park, Proof goes into parking surveillance mode. If someone or something makes contact with your car and it's not you, it will start recording and you'll be instantly notified by the Proof app. And two-way audio allows you to talk through the cam. If something were to happen, the GPS geolocator would be able to track your car to the exact location along with everywhere it's been. It's the best way to protect your vehicle and everything in it. To learn more about Proof, just go to proof-cam.com.